From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up, what's up, what's up? I have a question, and you guys can answer in the comment section down below. When was the last time you've had a protein treatment, or have you ever had a protein treatment before? Is your hair breaking? Are your strands brittle or weak? Has your hair lost its elasticity? Is there no bounce back in those curls? Does your hair feel rough or dry? Have you been using a lot of heat recently? Does your hair feel gummy or sticky? Do you get your hair colored often? If any of these things apply to you, you may need a protein treatment. Okay, I'll go first. My last protein treatment was probably a month and a half ago. How often do I do them? Not as often as I should. So today, we're going to do a protein treatment. First of all, let's start off by me telling you guys my favorite protein treatment. Let's start off with the Camille Rose, YAMYONE, NANGAI, and TSUBAKI Strength Restore Protein Treatment. This is absolutely one of my favorite protein treatments. I have a video up on this on my channel in my deep conditioner hunt playlist. Love this. I was looking to order this sometime back, but I couldn't find it. So I was like, oh my gosh, I had to go and buy something else. So of course there are other ingredients besides the protein. It's more so on the deep conditioner side, but it has enough protein to work really well on my hair, maybe your hair as well. Next up, we have the Green Beauty protein treatment, and this is black owned. Camille Rose is black owned as well. Green Beauty is actually a YouTuber on the YouTube streets. This is bomb. This is really good. Out of all that I'm mentioning today, this one is actually just protein versus having other ingredients in there. This is the most cleanest. So if you want a protein treatment with just mostly protein, this is the way to go. Strengthens my hair, brings back the curls, and my hair just looks and feels so good every time I use this. And next I have the Aphogee. This is what I'm going to be using in the video. This is an OG. This has been around for a long time. A lot of us naturals have used this before, and there are a ton of videos of people using this on YouTube, and it's the easiest to access. As I said, I can find this in any of my beauty supply stores and be good. And this used to be much stronger in the past to me though, and it still works. You guys will see how it works on my hair in this video. So let's keep going. So today we're gonna be using the Aphogee protein treatment. I've been using this for years. Out of all that I mentioned, currently is the easiest for me to access right now. Oop, I didn't even shake it up. My hair has been shampooed, and I need to do this real quick before my hair dries out. So I'm just gonna put the protein treatment in this bottle right here. I'm not sure how much I need. Do you guys see the color of it if you haven't and you were interested? I don't want my hair to dry out because it's the hardest to manage when my hair dries out. Okay, so of course you know we're gonna work in sections. Break this in half, put this away. Basically all I'm gonna do is spray the protein treatment on my hair. That's it, that's all. I don't use any detangling tools when I apply my protein treatment. I don't really want to add too much stress to my hair, especially since I thoroughly detangled my hair in the shower. I don't need to go in with another detangling tool. Oh, this is actually a sticky process and messy. Yeah, that's the word. I don't like how this tastes in my mouth. I'm gonna apply this all over my head and then go under a hooded dryer. But I realized that when I go under the hooded dryer, it just makes the process a lot more tedious. So I'm gonna use the bonnet dryer attachment so all my hair can go under there and the product can do its magic. done, and I didn't even use all of it. Well, maybe I might have to add a little bit more to this to do the side, but let's move on because it's getting dark, guys. I definitely have to take my time while I do this because I'm working with hair that has been shampooed, and this is a strengthening product, so I have to be more on the gentle side. The curls are already starting to pop. I am all done. You're not really supposed to touch it, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my hooded dryer attachment and go under there for how long did they say? I'm gonna just insert it because I do not remember right now. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Let's do that. You guys, I went through all kind of technical difficulties to do this treatment. My blow dryer kept shutting off because not enough current was going to the blow dryer, so I had to go to different outlets around my house to find one where it would stay on. So I left it on for about, let's say, 20 minutes the most. I realized only the top was getting hard, so I actually flipped my hair over and then put on the attachment. That's why when I take it off, you'll see that my hair was to the top because I had to bring all my hair to the top just so that some of the heat could have gotten at the back, and my hair was hard. You can see that it was very hard, so I didn't even want to manipulate it too much, so I just went to the shower and rinsed it out, and I put some conditioner in my hair. I used a very moisturizing conditioner to add back in some moisture in my hair, right? And my hair was so soft, bouncy, strong. You guys see the movement, you guys see the volume, you guys see the thickness. I was here for it. My hair really needed this because my hair was starting to, you know, look a little limpy and stringy, but this brought back in some life and volume into my hair, especially the front of my hair. So it felt really good. I am all done. My hair feels strong, it feels soft, and we good right now. So I'm just gonna apply some moisturizer and twist my hair up and then prepare to style tomorrow, because this was a process and I just want to be done. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one. Bye.